Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. So you guys hit the subscribe button, hit a notification, and give a thumbs up. Okay, so let's take out this. This is paint for for the slimes. There's 4 colors. There's yellow, there's red, and there's green, and there's blue. Okay, I'm gonna be doing red because red is my favorite color. I'm gonna be putting like some it. Ooh, that looks nice. Now you just mix it, take out all the whiteness off, and let's check if it's... I kind of wanted it red, but now it's like kind of pink, so that's okay. Be adding lotion, like a little bit. If you want, you could add a lot. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm almost finished with this thing, and it's not coming out. Like, it's not coming out. It's not coming out. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. So instead of a fork, I'm going to be putting a spoon. It's only a little bit. I don't want that much of slime. Some stars. These stars right here. These stars. So, I'm just gonna add a little bit. Okay, so what we're gonna take out is Gain that I took away from my mom. Let's take out beads. Some of these hearts. They're like hearts that are pink. And some they're little fruits. I barely have a little bit, not that much. And some containers. Everyone always needs containers because where else are you going to put it? Let me check if I have anything else. And I have glue, the 2 glue. I'm going to put all these ingredients in the side. So yeah, what we're going to do now is I'm going to put a little bit of some like fruits because it kind of looks like watermelon, so that's what I'm gonna be putting in. I'm only putting like just not that much because I don't like that much stuff in my slime, so I'm only gonna add like that's all. So yeah, it only has a little bit, so yeah, I'm just mixing it, and then you put some Gain in, a little bit of Gain, not that much, because if you put a lot, then your slime is going to be really hard, not stretchy at all. It's just gonna like rip apart. So that's why you add a little bit. You see? Now it starts forming into slime. So it's kind of turning into slime, but it's turning into like liquidy. So you kind of want to add a little bit by a little. So I'm gonna add some right here. So it's kind of forming. So yeah, it's going really good. And you could also put some in your hands, and I put way too much, so I know this slime is not gonna, I feel like it's not gonna come out good. So yeah, this slime is pretty big. I kind of don't want to go to my other hand because like it's gonna turn messy, and then I'm gonna have to need some of Gain. So yeah, I'm not going in with my two hands. I'm only going with one hand. I don't like going in with two hands because the thing that I just told you now. So, oh my gosh, that's way too much. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I could go with my hands. And I think this one was an epic fail. Yeah, this technically is an epic fail. Like, look at this. This one is an epic fail. Not gonna lie. So, what's your guys' favorite color? My favorite color is red. So there's 4 colors: red, blue, green, and orange. Well, it's kind of like yellow, so yeah. I made, well, with these 2 colors, they're purple. And if you guys want a purple slime, I can make it. And if you guys want a pink slime that really came out really terrible, this one is my first horrible slime. So yeah, the rest that I made were really good. So these are not really that good. My dad's gonna pass me the scissors right now because I'm gonna cut this thing. There was no big ones. This is a fail. I'm just taking out the extras of the slimes. Yeah, let's put a yellow color because my favorite color is also yellow, and my dad's color is dark blue. I want it to be a really light color. It's made with the fork. I don't know why. Okay. So now it's a type of yellow color, and it's really pretty. I love yellow. So let's just like pour more inside. Like a little bit, not that much, because I don't want it to be really like that much yellow. So yeah, that's nice. Okay, so I'm kind of gonna put some of this in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This slime is really pretty. So yeah. What I'm gonna put in here is a little beads. Like just a little bit, because I really don't like that much beads. Now it's kind of got all over my hands, and I don't like that. Oh my god. Oh, I just have to get all of this off of my hands. It's really nice, like so nice. I'm gonna be using this some more Gain. I'm gonna try to add that much. Go in the comments, tell me what you guys want for the color. So, yeah. I can't. I have to go with my hands. I love getting messy. Kind of. Not that much. So, we're going to be putting a little bit by little while this forms. So, yeah. This is kind of going well, kind of, getting really messy. Oh my gosh, I need some more. Oh my god, I put way too much. Ah! But, okay. Oh my god, this is a big slime. I don't think it's gonna fit in my container. Oopsie doopsie. Okay, I have to go with my two hands. It's turning green. No, I don't want it to turn green. But I could change it after. Dad, can you put more in this? Right. It's going really good. This is my first slime. This one turned out good. This one, it turned out bad. Like, there's soap inside. So, yeah. There's really not that much. So, the reason why I'm doing this is because there's nothing what to do in the house. I know you guys are bored too. So, yeah. Okay. So, it went good. It's really nice. I love it. So after I'm gonna decorate this. So yeah. I'm like, where's the hole? So I'm gonna be. Oh my god, I don't think this is gonna fit. Yeah, it's not. It's not gonna fit. I got way too much small containers. So I'm gonna put it apart and try to put a little bit by a little bit so to make it fit. And I don't think it's gonna fit, guys. So it's just like this. I told my dad to put some more Gain, but I told him not anymore because like it was gonna get like really messy. So, and there, like when I told him to do that, it was deforming. Like it was like putting itself to slime. So yeah, really don't know what to do with this slime. Dad, what do you think I should do with this slime?
Turn away.
I'm not doing that to my own slime. Okay, so this is my slime. The next slime. This is slime number 2. So this one was automatically a really epic fail. So like really not good. I feel like throwing this one away. Dad, should I throw this one away? Dad.
What do you think I should do with this one?
Wait. I need to turn this into real yellow. So I'm gonna make it like the other one, like the stickiness till you can throw this one away. Okay guys, so now we're going to the third step. So as you guys can see, these two slimes were really bad and I just paint myself with one of them. Ew. So So yeah, now what I'm gonna be doing is doing more slime. But this time, I don't know what to do with the color. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, let's put it a little bit. So you guys better like, subscribe, and hit the notification and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, and you guys could comment whatever you guys want and whatever the next video you guys want me to do and what my dad wants to do. I'm actually gonna make him do whatever you guys are doing it because I'm doing it for you guys. He doesn't know. And I'm so sad because I only have one more glue and I'm only gonna do small ones. I only have 2 more and uh-oh, what am I gonna do? I'm having a feeling, what would blue and green do? What would they do, guys? Would they do brown? Oh, I hope so. I hope not. I hope they'd be like a very, very pretty color. So. Ugh. This is so gross. Well, not that gross. And my hands are very slippery. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna go right here and like this. Kind of like, and mix it right here. Let's check what color it's gonna, oh, that's a really pretty color. Like, I love it. Oh my god. Okay, so let's put that one for like the sky. So, ow. And okay, so I'm gonna be doing these 2 colors, and I'm gonna go to green now. Let me do a little bit more blue. Oh wait, no, a little bit more green. So much colors, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking these colors, taking them with me. Who else wouldn't grab this color? It looks really nice. Like, look at the color that makes it. That's a really cute color. Nice color, I mean. I want to do a little bit more of like green because green didn't mostly grab it. So I'm going to grab a little bit more of this. Oh my god, that's so much. It's really a pretty color. I like it. My dad loves it, of course. He loves me too. I think probably the pink one didn't come out really too good because I didn't add this. Like, I only add a little bit, not that much. I want to do a tie-dye video tomorrow, so I guess we're gonna do it. Right, Dad? It's a really nice color. I love it. Okay, so sorry, Dad, I gotta get messy. Yeah. I kind of don't like getting messy, but okay, it's okay, it doesn't matter. So here we go. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Okay, so guess we're gonna put more while this is going really good. This is going so good. So, yeah. So this time I'm actually going to be playing with it inside here because I don't want to make a mess out here. So look at the bottom. So yeah. So yeah. Oh my gosh. But it's okay. Whoa, this is really big, but okay. But it's okay. Doesn't really matter. This slime is going good. You guys could always add shaving cream, shaving gel. I sometimes put shaving gel because it makes it fluffier and it makes it so big and it makes it so so good. But if you guys put a lot of activator, then it's not gonna go good. So yeah. Here it's deforming. So yeah. So it's nice and clean. Thing is really good. Dad, look at this color. It's gonna make a bubble. Oh wait, that was an epic fail. So let's go like that. So, woo! So you guys tell me what you guys want your color. Do you guys want yours purple, this color, or yellow? I could put more yellow. So, like, subscribe, hit the notification, and give a thumbs up, and tell me, and go in the comments what kind of color do you guys want, and what kind of things do you guys want in your thing. Like, I could put lotion or shaving cream or stuff like that. So, yeah. Bye!